Welcome back, Dollar Depot Plus. I'm Joelle Harding here in Milwaukee, Oregon, right off the McLaughlin Boulevard, next to the Bomber and across from the Mystery Gallery and a lovely place called Nectar. If you haven't been here already, please come down and check us out. We have a lot of plus items that we'd like for you to check out, and there's like a lot of the whole store's dollar items, unless marked otherwise. We had a little tiny white sticker, $12 item that's worth like $30 to $40 in the store. So just mentioning to you, since it is like Valentine's Day and people are thinking about babies maybe in the future, I don't know, COVID, hibernation, etc., etc. If you know anybody or if you are planning on having a baby in the future, this is a great little gift here. You have basically your starter kit. So you have your, they have a washcloth, which is very soft washcloth, and cornstarch, baby powder, baby oil, baby lotions, shampoos, etc. And speaking of baby oil, we also have warming oils here. Candles and everything else. If we're not into this baby effect, maybe you can get that way with these other items as far as like candles and warming gels and stuff like that. Yeah, like I said, it's a plus store, so if you haven't come to check us out, maybe you should. Happy Valentine's Day, and we hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.